Students and fellow researchers. I am going to discuss structural equation modeling. In all earlier researches, structural equation modeling was never heard of. In all researches of graduate students in many higher education institutions in the Philippines, SEM is not used. And in research where statistical packages are available for specified data analysis, is there a need for SEM? SEM, like any other research-based innovations, was developed not to make things difficult for researchers, but to facilitate the conduct of research, especially at this time of big data, when big organizations commission researchers to conduct encompassing multivariate studies. Researches pursued by graduate students are usually univariate and bivariate studies delimited in terms of topic, sample size, and methodological capability of the student, the advisor, and the panel members. Hence, they shall not propose a title and scope that they are a stranger to. In many earlier researches, however, records will show there are already topics that involve bivariate independent and dependent constructs with wide coverage and described by numerous indicators, but made use only of one correlational computation, neglecting to define the relationship between every indicator of the independent variable and each indicator of the dependent variable. Usually, the independent and dependent constructs and their indicators are placed just in two boxes when illustrated into the conceptual diagram, leaving so many analytical details left to be explained. SEM, it would seem, is a big leap from the conceptual framework and theoretical framework in the normative format of graduate thesis. SEM includes factor analysis, path analysis, and regression. SEM is designed to test theories by testing the structure of interrelationships within the theory as a whole, and evidently made for multivariate research that includes problems with latent variables, such as abstract psychological variables like quality of life, business confidence, employee morale, happiness, work attitude, and employee dedication, which cannot be measured directly. Factor analysis is done to verify the measurement quality of any and all latent constructs used in the structural equations. A path analysis is conducted to better see the flow of and understand the causal relationships between different variables. And regression is the major essence of SEM. Structural equation modeling requires that the following assumptions be made. The relationships examined in the model are causal. The exogenous variables are not correlated with other exogenous variables or with variables being examined in the model. Causal pathways are unidirectional. Both manifest and latent variables can be treated as interval level measures, and compliant with the appropriate sample size. So, master's students, are you ready for this SEM? Thank you for viewing and listening.